In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a basic assignment tracker on Notion, 5 minutes. Open Notion and sign in. So we're starting from your workspace. In the left sidebar, click Add a Page. Give the page a clear name like Assignment Tracker so it's easy to spot later. You can keep the page empty for now. We'll build the database right inside it. Click into the page body and type /table. From the menu, choose Table View, then pick New Database. This creates a standalone table designed just for your assignments. Think of this as the backbone of your tracker. Now let's customize the columns, which Notion calls properties, so they match the details you actually need. First, rename the default name property to assignment. This is where you'll type the title of each task or project. Keep titles short but specific so you can scan quickly. Next, add a property and choose select or multi-select, then name it course. Create tags for each class or subject you're tracking. Color coding these tags makes it easy to see what belongs where at a glance. Add another property, choose date, and name it due date. This will power your schedule. You can also add reminders right from the date picker so Notion pings you before a deadline. If you want to keep things tidy, consider sorting the table by due date ascending so the next task stays at the top. Create a status property using select. Add options like not started, in progress, and completed. These stages help you quickly understand what needs attention and what's wrapped up. Keep the list short so it stays useful. Finally, add a checkbox property and name it done. This is the fastest way to mark something finished without changing the status, which can be handy when you're moving quickly. With your table set, let's make it easier to visualize. Click Add a View and choose Calendar. Your assignments will now appear on the dates they're due, which is perfect for planning your week and spotting conflicts. Add another view and pick Board. Group it by status. This creates a simple Kanban where you can drag assignments from not started to in progress to completed as you work. It's a great way to track momentum. To keep your workspace focused, add a filter that hides items marked done or with the status completed. Your active workload stays front and center, and you can always remove the filter to review past work. That's it. Your basic assignment tracker is ready. Add your tasks, keep statuses updated, and use the views that fit your day.